Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of investing. Investing can seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be highly rewarding. Tip number 1. Start by setting clear financial goals that align with your long-term aspirations. Tip number 2. Determine your risk tolerance, as it will help guide your investment choices. Tip number 3. Do thorough research on the investment options available to you. Tip number 4. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize returns. Tip number 5. Consider investing in low-cost index funds for long-term growth. Tip number 6. Save and invest regularly, as consistency is key in building wealth. Tip number 7. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators. Tip number 8. Develop a well-thought-out investment plan that outlines your strategies and objectives. Tip number 9. Be patient, as investing is a long-term game and requires persistence. Tip number 10. Control your emotions and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Tip number 11. Take advantage of tax-efficient investment vehicles, like IRAs and 401ks. Tip number 12. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Tip number 13. Consider working with a financial advisor to ensure your investments align with your goals. Tip number 14. Keep track of your investment performance and regularly review your portfolio. Tip number 15. Continually educate yourself on investing strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and careful planning.